Hey friends, who's hungry? Easy Instant Pot red beans and rice will have you eating a hot bowl of this beloved Creole comfort food in no time. First, we need to pre-soak our beans. Pour one 16-ounce bag of red kidney beans into an Instant Pot. Add 5 cups of chicken stock and 1 teaspoon of salt. Set the Instant Pot to manual, then set the timer to 0 minutes. Yes, you heard me correctly, 0 minutes. The act of coming to pressure is enough to soften the beans. Don't skip this step or your beans won't be cooked all the way through. Let the pressure from the beans release naturally. This should take about 15 minutes. You do not need to drain the beans. Add 1 pound of sliced andouille or smoked sausage, 5 cloves of minced garlic, 3 stalks of diced celery, 1 medium diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Stir until everything is combined. No need to cook the rice separately. We're going to cook it right in the same pot. Place a 3-inch trivet into the pot over the red beans mixture. I folded a 2-foot long piece of foil and placed it under the trivet, letting the sides stick up. You'll see why in just a minute. Place an oven-safe bowl on top of the trivet. I've linked to the trivet and the bowl I've used below. Measure out the rice. Add 1 3/4 cup of water or chicken stock per 1 cup of rice. Season the rice with salt to taste. Fold the sides of the foil over the dish. Replace the lid and seal the pot. Set the pot to manual pressure, then set the timer for 30 minutes. Afterwards, let the pressure release naturally, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the pressure has released and you've removed the lid, carefully lift the bowl of cooked rice and the trivet out of the Instant Pot using the foil sling we made earlier. Remove the bowl of rice from the trivet and fluff the rice with a fork. Remove and discard the bay leaves and season the red beans with salt and pepper to your preference. Serve the red beans and rice over the hot cooked rice. Garnish with chopped green onions or diced parsley if desired, and season with hot sauce for additional heat. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.